RSI Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm just looking at Rush Street in interactive stock, I mean, I'm aware that this is 4% down, but what I'm looking at even more is the higher time frame performance, because what's just one day's performance? Nothing. So I'm aware we're correcting down. I mean, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most proof documented, by the way, 39,000 videos. So I'm looking to further do is just double down on this beautiful bullish market. But randomly buying is not going to be the play whatsoever. So in this instance, only if there's that pull down and a shift am I going to look to take it up. Other than that, it's all noise. Like, I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, but after spending 5 figures and 5 years into this game, I've seen what's making more money, and it's the simple things. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, so I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.